Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fourth lesson of D4 chapter number 8, that is about the locus and constructions. In this lesson I will be discussing that how to construct the triangle when two angles and included side is given, or the construction of the right angle triangle with the hypotenuse and one of the side is given. This lesson is equally important for D4 students and the O-level students who have to go for and appear for their O-level examination in July, inshallah, and my D1 students and the PTBs class 6, 7 and 8 students. So all these students can take the benefit from this lesson. Let's move to the construction of the triangle when two angles and included side is given. Actually, O-level students do not require the explanation of the steps of construction, but PTB students and the federal board students require the construction steps as well. So I'm giving the steps of construction in detail so that my PTB students can write the construction steps as well easily, and my O-level students can understand the construction of these types of the diagrams through these steps easily. In O-level, my students are required just to construct that loci and that shape and label that shape. So both the students can get help from this. So what is the procedure for the construction of triangle when two angles and included sides are given? So let's take the situation that we have to construct a triangle with AB side 3 centimeter and angle A 70 degrees and B 55 degrees. So step 1, I'm explaining this method through 4 easy steps. You can keep these 4 easy steps in your mind. Step 1 is the drawing of the line segment of the given length, okay? And for this purpose you have to use the ruler. Then we have to construct angle of 70 degrees on the vertex which is given in the question. Like here we have to construct the angle of 70 degrees at point A, and for B, which is 55 degrees, we have to construct the angle 55 degrees. And for the construction of angle we need the protractor. And then in the step 4 what we have to do is that these two angles produce two arms which intersect each other at point C, and then triangle ABC will be the required triangle. So here let's try to understand the procedure through practical. Okay, let's apply these steps practically and let's learn how to construct the triangle when two angles and one side is given. So step 1 is that we have to construct a triangle where AB is 3 centimeters. So first of all what I have to do, I have to draw AB line of measure 3 centimeter. AB 3 centimeter. We have to stick to the measurements which are given in the question. As AB is 3 centimeter, so what I have to do is I have to draw a line segment AB 3 centimeter. Okay, and now what I have to do is I have to mark the end points, and then I have to write the measurement as well. And now step 1 is done, and now what we have to do next is that on vertex A we have to draw and construct an angle of measure 70 degree with the help of protractor. Now I have to hold the protractor, and then what we have to do, this is the circle, this is the midpoint of these all measurements, okay, and this line is called the 0 line. So what I have to do is that I have to keep this circle on vertex A. The point of intersection of this circle will be coming at point A, okay, and this 0 line has to hide already drawn line, okay, and then I have to measure 70 degrees, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70, and I have to mark a point here, okay. And please let me draw this line with the help of a color pen so that my students can see this more clearly, but you actually have to use pointed pencil, okay. And this is 70 degree angle, and I have to mark it with degrees. Okay, and now the next step 2 is done. Step 3, construct an angle of Meyer 55 degree at vertex B. Now again I have to keep the vertex of the protector at point B, and zero line has to hide this AB line, and now I have to construct 55 degrees angle. 55 degrees angle will be coming at this place, right in between 50 and 55. Okay, and then what I have to do, I have to join this point with vertex B. Okay, and this is B. These two, when I'm extending these two arms, okay, of angles, they're meeting, cutting each other at one point, and let's label it with point C, and this is 55 degrees. Okay, I hope you are clear that how we are constructing the triangle when one side and two angles are given, and it's the time to have some fun and coloring, give some beauty to your work. So let's color this figure so that it should become more prominent, and my students should feel enjoyment as well. Okay, in your actual working, in your exams, especially the O-level students will not be having the time, even the PTB students will not be having the time, and they will not be having the colored pencils. If you want to shade it, you can use your lead pencil for the shading. Okay, I hope you are clear that how we are constructing the triangle when two angles and included side is given. And moving to the next type of the triangle, that construction of the right angle triangle. The situation can be that we have to construct a right angle triangle ABC if the hypotenuse is 5 centimeter and base is 3 centimeter. So there are 4 easy steps for the construction of this situation as well. Step 1 is that we have to draw the line segment BC 3 centimeter, which is given in the question, and for the drawing of the line you have to use a ruler. Then we have to construct an angle of 90 degree at vertex B, and that will produce the altitude or height of the triangle. And for the construction of 90 degree angle, you have to use the protractor or the pair of compass. Says it's your choice. And then what we have to do is draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter from point C, and this arc from point C will cut the produced altitude at any point, let it be A, and then we have to join point A and point C, and in this way we will be getting our required triangle. Let's apply these all steps to construct and learn practically that how to construct the right angle triangle when one side and the hypotenuse is given to us. So okay, the step 1 is that we have to draw the line segment BC 3 centimeter. So what we will be doing, we will be holding the ruler and we have to draw a line segment BC 3 centimeter. Okay, BC 3 centimeter. Let me go over here. This is 3 centimeter. Okay, and I have to mark the end points or vertices BC 3 centimeter. Okay, step 1 is done. Construct an angle of 90 degree at vertex B. So what we have to do, with the help of protractor, we have to construct an angle of Meyer 90 degrees. Okay, now hold your protractor and please keep this point of intersection of protractor, this circular portion of protractor on the vertex B, and the zero line of the protractor should hide already drawn line, and this is the placement for 90 degree here. Okay, and then what we have to do is we have to draw the arm of the triangle and we have to join B with this 90 degree angle with B. And now what we have to do is that we have to construct the hypotenuse, which is 5 centimeter long. We know that right triangle is a triangle in which one of the angle is a Meyer 90 degree, and hypotenuse is the face which is opposite or in front of the 90 degree angle, and it's the longest face. So in order to construct the hypotenuse, what I have to do is that I have to open arm of compass of radius 5 centimeter. Let me keep compass and ruler right under the camera so that my students can understand it really easy. Okay, this is 5 centimeter. Please see, we have to be very accurate about the measurements. And now what we have to do is that we have to keep the needle on vertex C, and we have to draw the arc which will be cutting, meeting okay, the altitude which is drawn from vertex B at some point. Vertex B at some point. And as we need to construct the triangle ABC, so two vertices are with us. So the point where this arc of hypotenuse is cutting, meeting the altitude line, let that point be A. And now what we have to do is we have to join A with C. A with C, we have to join A with C. Okay, and I'm observing this, that this is really 5 centimeter. Okay, and join these 2 points. This is 5 centimeters. And okay, now this is the 90-degree angle, and this is 5 centimeter. It is hypotenuse. It's in front of your 90-degree angle. Okay, and it's a time to go for the coloring and give some beauty to work. Okay, so please, I hope you are clear that how to construct a right angle triangle when one side and the hypotenuse is given. And second question that we have learned, and second situation that we have learned, is that how to construct a triangle when one side and included angles are given. These two conditions are really important, because in the next exercises of locus and construction, there will be the different situations of given in which we need to construct the different types of triangles. So if method of construction of these types of triangles is clear to you, then the question will be easy for you. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.